I'm Samantha, and I think technology is amazing. We use it to learn, talk to each other, and save lives. But one of the coolest things we do is make video games. Games can scare us, make us laugh, even make us cry. There's an entire field of research about how we experience games, and a lot of it is commercial. Companies do research with users to find out how to make their games better. And with the games industry making over $4 billion a year in Canada alone, better games can mean huge profits. Normally this is done by bringing in people to test games. They play, you watch them, and ask them questions. But people are expensive, and not only because you have to pay them. They need time to play. They need space and researcher supervision. Finding people from your target market is tough, and you need dozens of them. But testing is really important, so you spend the money and do it. Though if you're a small business, you might not be able to afford to test as much as you'd like. This is something our team has seen firsthand in companies we work with, and we wanted to make testing more affordable for developers no matter their budget. That's where our crazy idea comes in. What if we could get rid of those pesky, expensive humans? Artificial intelligence is all the rage nowadays. Surely there's something there we can do to make testing cheaper and faster. But there's a problem. Most game AI is built to win and play perfectly. We need to know what real people will do, and real people have flaws. They forget things. They play games imperfectly. Then what we need is an AI that can play imperfectly to predict what real people will experience and where they might get stuck, so that developers can find out what's wrong with their game and how to fix it without bringing in dozens of people. As I said to my supervisor, let's make an AI that's stupid, like a person. So that's exactly what we did. We built a tool that any developer can use with a virtual bot that wanders around a game world like a person. We made simple models of human vision and memory, so our bots only see what players would see on screen. They can forget things, and instead of playing to win, they make decisions based on a simulated personality that you can customize to match your target audience. We brought in real game developers to try our tool, and they really liked it. Instead of taking 2 weeks to test with 20 people, they could see results from 50 bots in 5 minutes at the click of a button. We're not claiming that testing with AI can replace testing with humans. It is just an approximation. But it can let developers test earlier and more often, improving their designs without breaking the bank. The AI we built is actually really simple. It's extendable and it works for lots of different games, but it's just a small step towards automated testing. Our team wants to make games research more accessible for everyone, especially independent creators. So if you make games yourself, check out our tool on GitHub. We made it free and open source, because making games is one of the coolest things we do with technology, and I can't wait to see what we all make next.